Who, along with Khudiram Bose, attempted to assassinate Magistrate Douglas Kingsford? Prafulla Chaki. Who among the below founded the Abhinav Bharat Society? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Ram Prasad Bismil was associated with which one of the below conspiracies? Kakori conspiracy. Who, along with Bhagat Singh, bombed the Central Legislative Assembly on April 8, 1929? Batukeshwar Dutt. Who among the below led the revolt of 1857 in Lucknow? Begum Hasrat Mahal. Which was the newspaper started by Gopal Krishna Gokhale? The Hitavad. Who said on the death of Mahatma Gandhi, "The light has gone out of our lives"? Jawaharlal Nehru. Whose personal secretary was Mahadev Desai? Mahatma Gandhi. The Poona Pact was an agreement between Mahatma Gandhi and Dash. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the husband of Rani Lakshmibai? Gangadhar Rao. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi study law in London? Inner Temple. Who among the below did not become the President of the Indian National Congress? Bal Gangadhar Tilak.